Is the creepiest thing you've ever seen your child do? 1. A few months ago, my daughter and I were laying on the couch watching a movie and she was rubbing my tummy. Suddenly, she looked intently at my tummy and said, "Mama, there's a baby in there!" And kissed it. I thought nothing of it, as her babysitter was pregnant at the time. She did the same thing every single night. "Mama, baby in there. I love you." About 2 weeks later, I found out I was 8 weeks pregnant. The next night she was cuddling with me when she randomly started fussing, kissed my stomach and said, "Bye-bye Bubba, we love you." I miscarried the next day. To this day, she sits in her room and plays with her Bubba Rar. She's become much more aware of the babies around. She's gentler around them and tells them that they remind her of her Bubba. She will be running around at bedtime and makes me tell Bubba night-night and reminds me that she loves me, and so does Bubba. I still cry that she can feel him, or sense something. My daughter just turned 2 in November. 2. My middle daughter was a strange little kid. She's beautiful, and smart and amazing, but so creepy when she was younger. As a baby, she'd laugh at the wall. As a toddler, she'd play peekaboo with the lady in the closet, which she later identified as my husband's great